Alright guys, this is a comparison between a review paper and a very specific research paper, like you ran a machine learning algorithm and then found out the results and then compared it. So a very specific research paper would be you found out the default rate or prepayment rate of the house in United States, and you got data from Fannie Mac and Freddie Mac, and you got some banking data, open source data, and then you ran it, and then you compared, say, XGBoost versus random forest. This is a very specific paper of a specific machine learning technique for a specific field and a specific data set. Now, contrary to this, we have review papers, which is a review of machine learning or AI for banking, a very broad review paper, but in a new hot topic. So hot topic would be generative AI, augmented virtual reality, or it could be artificial general intelligence, or something that's very hot, like Deep's comparison of different LLM models. So these are the topics right now that are getting very good coverage. So if you select a mid-size paper like 7-8 size and publish it in Scopus, a review paper, that is the most ideal scenario. Being in Scopus makes sure that the quality is high, the results are good, and you'll get a very good citation. The next best bet is option 4 on the screen, which is a very specific topic on Scopus. That's also a good idea. But we have one thing here which people often fail to realize, that a very long review paper of a hot topic, even at a mid-tier journal, if it's long enough and it's good quality, it's still going to get citation. All you need is cross-ref, and we talk about how to select the good mid-tier journals. So you can do it without taking the pain of going to Scopus and paying a very high APC. And a lot of times Scopus journals would not accept a review paper. They want a paper with finding. In that case, the first line is gone. So the best bet on topic selection is select the topic which they already defined. So like for national interest waiver, they have talked about artificial intelligence and new trends in artificial intelligence, like more efficient computation, or like more about LLM models, and make it broad enough so you can get different audience that would like to see it. So selecting the correct topic, selecting the correct topic for review, and selecting the right journal would be the best thing. But this strategy is more towards getting citation and review opportunities. So if you want to get review opportunities and citation, then mid-tier journals on a hot topic and a very long paper, I would say an IEEE paper of say like 17 pages, 20 pages, or if it's a single column page, maybe like 40 pages, 50 pages, that is something that's going to get a lot of appreciation, a lot of citation, and these kind of papers will also open doors to review opportunities. So this is the topic selection strategy mixed with journal selection strategy for getting citations and review opportunities. Now remember, if the journal is not reputed, you might not get independent letters from people that you need, because a lot of time they expect you to publish in top tier journals, but for citation and review opportunities. So you can even get review opportunities in top journals by publishing at mid-tier journals, because they are looking for very specific topics right now. So if you are working for say a very specific large language model tools in a particular area like credit risk, and you are working at a bank, even with mid-tier journals, since you're working in the bank, you're working in the same department, and you have a mid-tier journal, you can actually get opportunities that would otherwise open to very senior professors. So the importance of mid-tier journals, if correctly done and correctly chosen with the right indexing, can still get you a lot of citation and a lot of review opportunities. So this was a video on topic selection and journal selection strategy.